Alphie is an educational robotic toy designed to help young children learn through interactive play. It has been a popular learning tool for preschoolers and early learners. Alphie is a friendly, interactive learning companion that helps young children develop cognitive and problem-solving skills through fun, hands-on activities. Alphie is a valuable educational tool that combines learning with play, though considerations regarding its voice quality and the durability of its accessories are worth noting. Alphie is programmed to guide children through different levels of learning. It provides hints, encouragement, and fun sound effects to keep kids engaged. Alphie plays catchy tunes and lights up to make learning more engaging. These features help capture a child's attention and make the experience more interactive. Children insert a learning card, answer questions using the buttons, and receive immediate feedback through Alphie's voice, lights, and sound effects. Alphie encourages learning through positive reinforcement. It is designed for preschoolers to introduce basic learning concepts in a fun and engaging way.